Tremco, roof repairs, waterproofing and painting. Tremco specialists in roof repairs, waterproofing and painting of all types of roofs, zinc roofs, tile roofs, flat and concrete slab roofs, as well as the painting of exterior and interior walls of all types of property, residential, commercial and industrial buildings. As a roofing contractor, we undertake roof repairs on all types of roofs. This includes upright zinc, flat zinc, tile, as well as concrete slab roofs. We also undertake the total replacement and construction of new roofs. No contract is too small or too big. We are in the industry for over 30 years with an excellent track and service record. Here at Tremco we do it right. Visit our site https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708270.